Now we're going to put the thread into the bobbin and then pull it through the bobbin threader. You'll want to grab your darkest thread that you have. I'm going to use a black here, but if you use brown or any other dark thread that you have in your kit, that will work perfectly. So go ahead and pull the line out and just keep it a little bit loose. Then you want to grab the bobbin with the arms and put the brass pieces into the circles on the spool. And a good test to see if it's too tight is if you pull it and it's relaxed, that's good. You can also hang it and it should hold up. But if yours is too tight, you can spread it out by taking the arms and kind of pulling them and making the metal a little bit bendier, and then putting it back in the spool and it should be looser. So we'll put that back in. And now we're going to grab the bobbin threader. So you want to get the wire pieces here to go through the corresponding tube here. And you'll go ahead and stick it through like that. Just keep pushing it through and it'll pop out the other end. This is where we want to put the thread in. So you want the thread to go through the top of the bobbin threader open space, like that. And just pull it down a little bit. So it might take you a minute to get it through. It's a lot of small pieces, but this part is the most important for keeping it going through as you start to work on the fly. So there we go. Got it in, just get it wrapped around there, and then pull it a little bit tighter. You want to grab the arms again on the bobbin, and then pull the bobbin threader, and it'll pull the thread through the tube and out the other side. And now we have a working piece for the bobbin and the thread.